Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance using your phone. First, you'll need to download the free Just Dance controller app from your phone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, make sure your smartphone and your gaming console or PC are both connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial first step for them to communicate. Then, simply launch the Just Dance game on your preferred gaming platform. Now that your game is running, open the Just Dance controller app on your phone. The app will automatically begin searching for any active Just Dance games on your local network. You should see a list of available game sessions appear on your phone's screen. Simply tap to select your specific game from this list. Once connected, your phone will display a message confirming it's ready to be used as your controller, typically showing your player number. With your phone now connected, you're ready to dance. Hold your smartphone securely in your right hand. The game uses your phone's motion sensors to track your movements. Your goal is to mimic the on-screen dancer's choreography as closely as possible. Pay close attention to the visual cues and prompts that appear, as these guide you on specific moves and timing. The more accurately you match the moves, the higher your score will be, leading to a fantastic dance experience. To ensure the best Just Dance experience, here are a few helpful tips. First, make sure your phone has a good amount of battery life, ideally at least 50%, to avoid interruptions during your dance session. Second, try to maintain a clear line of sight to your television or monitor. Lastly, always play in an open space, giving yourself plenty of room to move around freely and safely without bumping into furniture or other objects. Enjoy your dancing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.